to show you how to use AI, ChatGPT, the platform, as your marketing assistant, and the kind of prompters to put in and kind of what's possible. At the moment, this is free. At the time of recording this video, they'll probably start charging for this at any minute. But so just to be clear, I've basically created inventing a business, let's just say personal training, so everyone can understand the style of business. So I've just popped into the prompters, and it's good to know what kind of things to ask and how you can actually communicate with the platform like it's a person. So have a look at this, it'll blow your mind. Please be my marketing assistant and help me to create a business name and tagline for a personal training business with a fun and results-driven focus was my prompt I put in. Now it's given me these options. So I looked through the options, I thought, you know what, these are pretty fun. It's done a good job. I'll go with Fit Funk. Get fit, have fun as the tagline, but there's some different ones there. You know, goal getters, achieving your fitness goals one rep at a time. So it's done a good job. Now below, communicating with it like it's a human, I've said using option 1 above, please write, well, I even put a typo there, please write the text for a website sales page to promote my personal training business. So it's gone ahead and written the website, basically sales page text. Obviously you can go through and adjust things. Then I thought, all right, let's create a resource to be used as an opt-in for the above business on the topic of how glute strength reduces lower back pain. And here we go. Now we've got our opt-in resource that we can add to the page, and have a look through that. Pretty amazing, you know, squats, lunges, glutes. It's got the step ups, deadlifts, all these tips. And then I thought, well, why not write a social media post to promote the above resource on reducing lower back pain? Now, it's written the post for me, which is brilliant. But then I thought, you know what? Let's do a little bit of a better job. Now rewrite the above social media post in a more fun tone and include some emojis to make it a bit more, you know, fun and friendly. And it's gone ahead and done a really good job here of rewriting it, including some emojis and so on. Our new resource is here to spice things up and give you 5 ways to strengthen your glutes and reduce pain. Then I said, well, let's create a 6-week fitness program. Create an outline for a 6-week fitness program. So it's gone ahead and created the outline for the program. So basically, I could now go ahead and say, you know, create some articles to go on my website. I could create a webinar, create the webinar outline, create the content, and just think about in these prompters how I've communicated. And if you keep things in the same thread, so see how I've done a new chat and then basically continued down below by adding new questions, you can reference what's above. So you're talking to it like it's a person rather than adding a complete new search or a complete new prompt every time starting from scratch. I can simply continue on in the same thread, and it's so smart that it recognizes, you know, we're still talking about, or I could say something like what I said here, option 1, referencing option 1 above. Pretty mind-blowing, if you ask me. So I hope this helps you with creating the right prompt and, you know, blows your mind as much as it has mine.